Press on the navigation widget to display the main menu. Press on Where do you wish to go to enter an address, name, or places of interest. Press on this button to go to your home, using an address previously recorded in your favorites, or by pressing on Add Home. Press on this button to go to your place of work, using an address previously recorded in your favorites, or by pressing on Add Work. Press on this button to display your favorites. To delete an address, press on the Delete button on the side menu, and then Delete. Press on this button to display your recent destinations. Press on the side menu, then Favorites, to add a destination to your favorites. Press on this button to display the nearest charging stations. After having selected your destination, press on Route to open another menu, and carry out various actions on the planned route. Press on this button to display the 3D, 2D map mode. Toggle this button to change between Unmuted, Alerts Only, and Muted. Select this button to customize the map and display, route planning, sounds and alerts, vehicle settings, and confidentiality and data. You can zoom in or zoom out on the screen using 2 fingers or by pressing on the plus or minus buttons.